Hello all. Today in this video demonstration session, we will be seeing how you will appear for your online practice MCQ test. For appearing in this practice MCQ test, first of all, what you need to do, on the day and date of exam, you kindly open up the Vidyalaya app, go into the circular section. Inside the circular section, there will be a link for chapter wise practice test series. Kindly open that link, and in the link you will be seeing that there is a PDF file attached. Remember to read all the instructions. MCQ test will be starting from 18th of August and timing for the test will be from 9 am to 3 pm. That means you can appear for the test anytime between this stipulated time period. Now, as it is given, students, the things that you require for appearing in the test is one of your parents' email ID, so that you are able to log in into the test with ease. Now let us see how you will be appearing for your test. There is a PDF file attached at the bottom. Kindly click on the same. Once you click on it, you will see the schedule of your different examinations with its link. Remember to open the link only on the stipulated day of your exam. Suppose tomorrow is 18th of August and you have exam of English. So during 9 am to 3 pm you are required to click on the first link that reads lesson number 1, the river bank. Once you click on the link, you will see that you are redirected to one of your web browser, that can be Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. It is personally recommended that you use Google Chrome for better output of the test. Okay. So let us now start the test and let us demonstrate you step by step how you will be giving this test. Okay students, once you open the link, you will be required to sign in. Remember, sign in will only be asked for if you are not logged into your email account. So whenever you click on the link the first time, it will ask you for signing in into your Google account. What you need to do? Now you need to sign in to your respective Google account with proper username and password. Now students, once you have successfully logged in into your email account, you will be seeing the first page of your online MCQ test. Remember very well students, in this page you need to select your name carefully from the drop down list that reads roll number and student name. Now suppose your name is student name 5. This is a demo name that we are using for this test. I request whenever you are clicking on this drop down, all your names will be appearing in sequential roll number order. I kindly request you to select your name properly so that you are able to give your exam in your name only. Okay, so as of now, let us suppose I am selecting student 6. Please verify carefully whether your proper roll number and name is selected. Once you are sure of it, kindly click on next. On clicking on next, you will be seeing that questions will be there. Each question is of MCQ type and each question is compulsory. That means you cannot leave any question blank and proceed to the submit button. You have to give answer to each and every question. Now I request everyone to go through all the questions carefully, go through all the things properly and select the answers. For this demo video, let us select some random answers from all the questions. Remember, there can be MCQ based question as well as there can be true or false based question. Once you feel that you have answered all the questions, I request you to kindly recheck all the answers once again thoroughly, question by question. And once all the questions are completed and finished, please do not forget to click on the submit button. Okay, submit button will be at the bottom of the page. Kindly make sure you are not clicking on back, otherwise all your submitted answers you have to do it once again. Once everything is completed, kindly click on the submit button. And students, you will observe that once you click on the submit button, there will be a message coming that your response has been recorded. Now, immediately after completing this exam, you can view your score and you can see how much marks you have scored. To view your score, please click on the view score button. Now, once you click on the view score button, you will see that here I am scoring 11 marks out of 13 questions because this was a demo examination. Your actual examination will be either of 20 or 25 marks. Okay. 11 marks out of 13 marks, and if you go below, you will see for the first question the answer selected was is, but the correct answer was are. That means the solution or the answer of the first question that we submitted was wrong. Now, wherever you see a green symbol or a tick mark, that means the answer that you selected was actually right. You can just scroll down and see which questions were attempted correctly by you and which questions were incorrect. I again repeat, this cross sign or the red bar means the answer that was selected by you was wrong and the right answer will be mentioned at the bottom. This green tick means that the answer that was selected by you was exactly right and the marks for that question is awarded. Okay, I hope you all understood the method how you are giving your exams. Prepare well, all the best, and hopefully you will fare very well in all your exams. Thank you and have a nice day.